Right, so entrance to start the work, first you have to open the sample file. Okay, so download it and open. Then you have to open your folder, right? Whatever subject we have allotted you, you have to open that one. Okay, that's great. So let me open for you. So this is my sample file. See, this is my sample file. I have already opened it. Okay, and whatever page you are opening, okay, so let me open. In English, you will get only one subject at a time, so you will not be confused. So for example, this is my web page. Okay, see, this is chapter. So edit with notepad I have done. So what changes I have to make, like I have this. Okay, so I just have to first see which chapter is this. So here the chapter name is there. Copy that. Okay, then go to your sample file and paste it in the chapter name here. Okay, you have to be very careful with your copy paste. Okay, then you have to see what else you have. Like basically you will be having three things over here. This is explanation. Okay, so you have to get this ID. Get the ID from here. Okay, copy the ID. Then you have to go to your sample file again, and here you have the digital. See, okay, see, digital ID, right? Simply replace that with the ID you have copied. Okay, good. Then like again go there and find out what else explanation by teacher you have. So great. So you have to get the ID of that particular ID. Explanation by teacher, copy that. Then you have to go to again sample. English explanation you have to put it. Okay. Again you go to your chapter. See what else you have. Solution, so you don't need that. Then book, it's very important, so I copy the book ID. Copy the book ID properly. Okay, then Control C for copy. Then go there to your sample file and paste your book ID here of that particular chapter. Okay, right, so this changes you have to make in all your files, subject wise. Chapter name is important, ID mostly book ID, then the digital content, that is important. Sometimes you may get some different IDs also, like explanation by sir, so you have to put it into explanation in English, right, or explanation in Hindi, you can put it. Okay, you got it. And if you don't find, like these are the IDs which are not available in the file now you're working with, so I will delete that. Okay, simple. Then like you have to create the folder, save as, and desktop or wherever, like you have created the folder with the name. simply save it with the same as the chapter name, like chapter1.html. You have to save it as chapter, and spelling has to be proper, huh? Or you can directly replace that. chapter1.php you have to save. Got it? Simple. Just save it, and once you do everything, you can send the file to me. I hope very much clear with the work you have to do. Just do it and send the file, demo file. Then I'll allot you the subject. Okay, all the best.